Have you come across Aira Breeze and are thinking of buying it? Before you place an order, let's take a closer look. Is it a reliable cooling solution or just another seasonal gimmick? I'll walk you through the key details so you can decide if it's worth your money. Aira Breeze is promoted as a powerful, portable air cooler that helps you stay comfortable during the summer heat without skyrocketing your electricity bills. It claims to offer customizable cooling, humidity control, and energy efficiency, all in a compact and affordable design. With a simple setup that involves just adding water and plugging it in, it's marketed as the ultimate air cooler of 2024. But before clicking that Buy Now button, it's important to double-check a few things. First, evaluate the product listing. Does the listing clearly explain how the Aira Breeze works? Look for setup instructions, cooling capacity, and features like adjustable airflow. Real products give exact specs, like coverage area, fan speed settings, and noise levels. Next, review the product images. Do the photos look genuine and consistent across platforms? Are they high resolution and detailed? If the images seem generic or look like stock photos used by other brands, it may be a red flag. Then, read the product description. A trustworthy product page should mention how long the water tank lasts, whether it requires filters, power source, or USB charging specs, and any maintenance details. If any of this information is vague or missing, be cautious. Now investigate the seller's information. Visit the About Us or footer section of the website. Look for a real company name, a physical business address, and a company history. If the site only talks in general terms like, "We care about your comfort," but shares no real identity, be skeptical. Don't forget to verify the contact details. Check if the website provides a working phone number, a business email address, not just a Gmail or Yahoo, and a verifiable office location. Try reaching out before buying. If there's no response or the details seem fake, that's a clear warning sign. Also, search for external reviews. Don't rely on testimonials on the seller's page. Look for real customer feedback on YouTube unboxings, review forums, or sites like Trustpilot. Be wary of fake reviews that are overly positive or all sound the same. Finally, check the website's domain age. Use a domain checker tool to find out when the site was registered. Scam sites are often very new. If it's just a few weeks or months old with no history, that could be a problem. Final thoughts on Aira Breeze. It seems like a convenient solution for personal cooling, especially with its eco-friendly, compact design. But as always, check the reviews, verify the seller, and be cautious of time-limited deals pushing urgency. If you found this breakdown helpful, like, subscribe, and share the video to help others make smarter buying decisions. And comment below, have you tried any portable coolers like Aira Breeze? What was your experience?